Hello, welcome back to another unboxing. This time, it's the Big Into Energy LABUBUs. I buy all of my LABUBU stuff directly from the Pop Mart TikTok shop. I don't like the app, I don't like the Pop Now thing, I don't like knowing what I'm getting before because that's the whole fun of the blind box. Even though I buy the entire set because I want an entire set of them, I don't want to feel like I'm missing one. So I'm also not even sure if I want the secret because then it means I don't have the complete set because I'm missing one because I got the secret. Still waiting to open my Have-A-Seats, and I have some macarons on the way because they finally dropped them on the app. Here is all of the little buddies in the Big Into Energy series. And as we already know, I need a knife. I found scissors. Okay, as we already know, I suck at opening these boxes. So, like, I always see people open it and it looks all cute and like they set it up nice. And I'm trying to also not hurt my boxes because I want to save them and turn them into a collage later. So I'll probably like cut the top of this box off. Ugh. All right, we are in. We are opened. Which one are we feeling first? Ow, my finger got caught on this one, so I guess we're opening this one first. That's what the box looks like. There they all again on the side, on the secret. I am gonna guess that this one is Loyalty. Let's see if I can do this. Woo! I'm also not good at opening. How do people pop them? I just don't want to bend the box, but I break it instead. Okay. Make sure there's no thingy there. Loyalty, here we go. Who we got? Oh, okay, we got Hope. This is my first time seeing the Big Into Energies in person. And I am late to the game, so I am coming in after the quality changes, and I've got to say I'm a bit disappointed. At least it doesn't look like a LAFUFU. I've been seeing some people's newer from Pop Mart shipments, they just look so bad. And I will say, like, the eyes are stunning on this. They're like sparkly and hollow. And the arms do move really nicely. They got the little wires, head doesn't turn. My ears are a little squished, my fur is a little messed up, but overall she's feeling really good. I did see people complaining about the new QR codes are really hard to scan. I know I got these directly from Pop Mart, so I'm not worried about it, but that is a little disappointing. That QR code is unscannable. But as cute as they can normally be, here is Hope. I forgot that the Big Into Energy cards were a full card because the macaron ones are the little shape one. I'm really happy with that. All right, next one. This one. All right, I want to guess that this one is Serenity. Oh, okay, little pop. Oh, we got Luck. Okay. She's so much more pale than I thought. Her legs are a little wonky. That's what I mean with this quality. We've got like some really long hairs going on here. That kind of sucks, but whatever. We can give her a trim. She's a little lopsided, but you know what? I'm grateful to have her. And Loyalty's card. I'm feeling this top middle one, and it was falling out, which means it's trying to get opened. I want to guess Serenity again. Something about this one feels off. Like it was in the box sideways and it might be a little crushed. That's disappointing, but let's see if it's Serenity. And it's not. It is Loyalty. No. Is this orange? Happiness. It's Happiness. Happiness has them LAFUFU ears going on, kinda. A little smooshed. The arms are so small. I don't know. but she's got a really good tie-dye going on. She's got a little belly. That is the cutest belly. Oh, okay, actually, you know what? She's giving, she's cute. I think this is my favorite so far. Oh, even her card is giving. That is so cute. All right, happiness so far is my favorite. And that's saying something because orange is not my favorite color. This one. This one. Serenity. I just know it. It's Serenity. Oh, I can already see it's not. Oh, we got love. This is love. Yeah. Again, with the crooked feet, the quality has gone downhill, Pop Mart. I am sad to admit it because I'm so late to the game and I still spent all this money. But I'm happy that she has all her limbs. She's actually so much cuter in person than I thought she was gonna be. I wish her legs weren't crooked. See, that's the most disappointing part is I don't think my LABUBUs or my LAFUFUs directly from Pop Mart, I don't think they're gonna stand up. And my very first LABUBU, right here, which I bought individually, I wanted to buy one just to see if I liked them. My sea salt coconut stands up like on her own and all perfect and perfect little arms, perfect little ears, perfect little everything except for a slightly slanted face. And I'm not getting that from my new Big Into Energy ones. That's so disappointing. But I still love and appreciate them. There we go, Love's card. Two more. Let's go with this one. Serenity this time? Gotta be Serenity this time. Oh, well, there we go. Here we go, yoink. Oh, I see green. Yay! Very, very crooked ears. That is so disappointing. I feel like I'm just gonna have to like set them up somewhere and get them resituated. I don't know. Well, I kind of adjusted her already. She's good. She's good to go. And she might actually stand. She needs more chonk though. She's not as chunky as I wanted. Oh, she's very vibrant green on the back. Love her. Serenity's card, also beautiful. Last box means we've got loyalty, right? No, I already opened loyalty. What? No, okay. Yeah, okay, we've got loyalty or the secret here. And I highly doubt I have the secret. Don't think I want the secret. Because again, then I won't have a full set. I'll have to spend more money. So let's hope we got loyalty. I love how loyalty was the first one that I guessed. And now possibly the last one I'm opening. I already see some. Oh, that's pink. Wow, pink and yellow. She's very vibrant. She's giving sorbet. She's got, I think, the best tie-dye out of them all, except for maybe Hope. Hope is very pretty. She is the fluffiest, like her fur. Loyalty. Now that I'm going back and looking at them, I think Luck and Serenity are my favorites, which I wasn't expecting. I'm not a green person. Actually, you know what? I forgot. Happiness also. You know what? Okay, I lied. Happiness and Luck and Serenity are my favorites, which that's very unexpected of me because I don't like orange and I don't like green. So this one makes sense to be my favorite, but Happiness and Serenity, they've caught my heart and they've caught my eye. They're so cute. Okay guys, let me know which one is your favorite and if you would have liked the secret or not. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.